Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae. If you're new here, please smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell, and leave a comment down below. So in this video, I just, I ain't had nothing to do. So I'm just going to come in front of the camera and get ready because I'm going to go out for a few minutes. I'm always going somewhere, but it's the weekend, you know what I'm saying? This is the day that I go out. I mean, I do the most going out. I go out all the time, but, the weekend, of course, I got to have something to do. So I'm not going to, excuse me. It's the weekend. I always got something to do. Got to take care of something. So, I still want to look good when I go out. Even though I'm just, running a couple errands. But, sorry. Just got my hair done. It was so much better. Oh, my gosh. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into things. So guys, this is my completed look. I love pink. Oh my god, I feel like pink is like the best color on me. This color pink, and like a bubblegum type pink, and maybe like a baby pink, not really hot pink. Okay, I guess this is like kind of a hot pink, but you know what I mean, like certain shades of pink I really love on myself, and I feel like this pink looks great, and I like the look. I like the way it came out. Hopefully it looks as good on camera as it does right here in my mirror, because I think it looks pretty good, but I got to get up and go to another mirror so then I can really see if it looks good. Because, sometimes when you be sitting in front of the camera, in a mirror, you know what I'm saying, certain lighting hits you, it might not look right, but I think this turned out pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied. Yeah, girl. If you would like to see me do some other looks, I try to keep it simple, but yet, still like kind of get a little glam. But if you like seeing the other type of looks, you know what I'm saying, leave a comment down below. Like I said, I was just getting ready, because I'm just going out. Just want to record it or whatever. Sometimes I just like to watch myself, not in a cocky like type way, but just to, see what I can improve on and see what I can work on, and, kind of give myself some ideas of like what to do in the future on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So that's why, I do record, you know what I'm saying, and I do upload just to kind of see myself, not necessarily, you know what I'm saying, to, for anybody else, but, it's my channel, and I do kind of like to, just kind of see where I can improve, but, there's no door here or there. Anyway, if you like what you see, smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!